Hi guys, this is Maggie back with another craft for you. I thought in the midst of the pandemic that is still going on, everyone could use a stress ball. I'm sure some of us are stressed out from work, stressed out from kids, life, so I thought this would be a fun little thing for us to do. You can use any color balloon you want. I decided to go with red. I'm going to make a little apple one for September. So you're going to need a balloon, a rubber band, rice or sand. I happen to have rice, so that's what I'm going to use. A funnel and a spoon, which will be helpful in getting the rice in there. And this green felt I'm going to use to put a little leaf on it. So you want to take your balloon and put it on the funnel. Okay, and my rice is already opened. Okay, so you can see it's starting to look like a little ball. What you can do in between, filling it with rice, you can blow in the balloon a little bit to expand it and make it move around so you can fit a little bit more in. Decide whatever size you want to make this. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more. You can definitely fit quite a bit in here. I think that's a pretty good size. So you're going to tie it off. You can always put a second balloon around this too if you want, if you're worried. And I'm also going to put a rubber band around the top. If you have a smaller rubber band, that's definitely better. Or if you think you don't need it, you probably don't need to put one on. I just wanted to give a little more greenery to the stem up here. And now I'm just going to cut a cute little leaf out. Put some hot glue and stick it to my rubber band. So now you've got a cute little apple stress ball for the fall. It definitely feels nice with the rice. It's just as good as having sand. So I hope this little ball relieves some of your stress from life, and have fun with it. Let me know if you make a different fruit or a different anything, and I will see you in our next video.